What's up, guys? It's DB once again. Y'all roll with me less than a week ago, so now it's 2 times in less than a week. I don't know what Josh did on Saturday, but he left me with a flat tire. Not blaming Josh. It could have, I don't know, but yeah, go ride with me. We're gonna go pick up this one Washout, go to the tire shop, deliver it to Arlington, go to Plano, dump and return one in Plano, go all the way to Fort Worth, pick up a concrete washout we have over there, deliver that to Prairie, and do a dump and return in Glen Heights. Kind of a busy day because everything's far away, but we're gonna get this because it's me and David together once again. We're like Batman and Robin. So let's have a good day and let's get this day started.
Definitely Batman.
He's Catwoman.
I
really can't believe we gotta go to the tire shop first thing in the morning. David punctured the tire this morning. Look at my boy.
You know how we do.
This one's a little sketch. Going downhill. It's not that heavy, so it's not gonna pull me under, but it still ain't nothing. Oh. Trying to connect Bluetooth, guys. Me and David need some jams while we work today. Let's go! And we out. Hell yeah! Let's go! Yeah!
New guy?
You're on YouTube, you're on TV! You're on TV!
Okay.
Hey, what they got over there? Good food? Not saying no names, but somebody left me with a flat, but we getting good food out of it. So let's go, breakfast. Here we come. Yeah. Boy, what? Oh, big back ass.
Big back.
That's me. Oh, let me see your muscles. Let me see your muscles. Damn. I don't even see it bubbling. Y'all don't mind me. Y'all don't mind me. Hot sauce is hot as hell, but it's good. Good morning. I'm good to be better if I fatigue you so much. I know. Y'all are the best in the factory. Thank you. They love it. They love it being on TV. Hey, say what's up.
What's up, buddy?
Yeah, tell them what's up.
Hell yeah.
Say what's up. That's the microphone.
Hey, oh, Simón. A la verga.
Oh, shit. All right. Thank you, man. Have a good day. I love it. I love them.
You got this cilantro in your teeth.
Oh, shit. For the past. You want to say hi on YouTube?
Film it on YouTube?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I drive, he film. All right, baby, there you go. Thank you. You too, thank you. I ain't no telling. I've never seen that before. All he's doing is, it's a pallet. They're like a fucking roll of carpet. I said, was that some bad shit or what? Barrels. Oh, barrels and shit? Oh, okay. The public ain't got shit on them. Oh, yeah. Bruh, what? Oh, shit. There ain't shit in here really right. I mean, there is, but there ain't. Oh, shit. I smacked my fucking head. Damn, that bitch hurt. Hello? Do you know whose white truck that is? White truck? Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to get that dumpster. The red dumpster, but there's a white truck in front of it, blocking it. Oh, the electrician up there? Over there? Damn, I smacked the hell out of my head, bro. I'm gonna have a bruise. Excuse me, hey, is that white truck one of yours? Yeah. Yeah, if you don't mind, I'm trying to get that red dumpster. Yeah, thank you. Damn, I smacked my shit hard. Why in the hell would I have that piece of wood sticking out like that? Well, that's my dumb ass for leg right here. Why? Why? I came straight up this thing and BAM! Knocked my hat off and everything. Well, first time ever doing a concrete washout job, but look like they didn't even wash no concrete out. I had to dump that concrete in the front, which is not a whole lot. But all right, yeah, we got it. All right, that's it. About to go dump a whole lot of nothing. A whole lot of nothing. This is fucking pointless. Oh, this shit about to be fun. No, I'm picking it up and taking it with me. Yeah, it was a concrete washout, so there's hardly any concrete, but yeah, that's why I got it right here. I'm gonna take it with me. Now what the f am I gonna do with this shit? Next. Hopefully when I get back, nobody's taking these 4 parking spots. I knew it. So what's up, y'all? Let's lift this shit up. Let's get out of Dodge. Yeah, bro, when I first did it, he said, yeah, easy peasy. Ain't nothing but a G thing. Time to eat the rest of this sub. Now let's roll, guys. Seatbelt, safety. Safety first. Let's roll. Watch out, Gramps. Do a little curb hopping. Well, straight hop that damn curb. Psych. Bam. That's a brand new roof and everything. This house caught on fire. The boys ain't playing around over here. Let's see if this insulation that's stuck in my tarp comes out. Uh-oh, uh-oh. A little bit more. You honking at? Don't have to wait, goddammit. Shit. I'll run this shit. Let's roll. You ain't gonna say what's up? Look, she will. Yeah. Have a good. Well, I don't know when he's gonna be with me either. It's random. Have a good one. Oh, it's gonna be tight this time. Just like that. Just like that. I could have got it if he didn't move his truck, but that was very nice of him. It is time to go to this shop. Let's roll, guys. We're back home, fellas. Pulled up just in time. My little baby, she had to go pick him up from school because he was crying. Alright, peace. Alright, we're back at the HQ, guys and gals. Man, we picked up that concrete washout, which was no concrete in there really. But other than that, it was an uneventful day, just business as usual. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and smash that notification bell. And until next time, I gotta go to Academies, buy a baseball helmet, baseball bag, probably a new bat for my son because we doing fall ball. But yeah, that's it. I'm out.